The first one is feeding. It's for the leg length.
But the length is 145.
No. It's only a data. Not accurate. But if you want to aid, then that is accurate. Yeah. For example, if you want to do 10 millimeter, then here 810 is okay. It's accurate. But this data not means that leg length. So we can consider this is the first leg length control, and the second is system. You don't need to care. The third one, this is the total ring.
Here you mention after feeding SYS system. So,
Okay.
So we can't change.
Okay.
We do not change.
Okay.
This is a ring length.
Ring, the ring wire length. The ring length.
You mention ring lumbai.
No, you cannot ring lumbai.
Yeah.
Ring round करना क्यों कोई?
No. આપણે બધામાં લંબાઈ જ કરી છે. You change here name only ring lumbai.
Okay. And this is system. And this is the another leg. Yeah, if you hear
No. This 42 indicates here. Here, the system.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you add here system, SYS.
Yeah.
So we
No.
can't change.
You can change it.
Why?
Because here, if you add
255, 10.
10,
Then
you
52.
you need to make here longer, the leg longer, so you feed more. You can understand? Yeah. So here you also add more. So we can consider this is the leg 1, this is leg 2. Then now here is the angle 1. This angle 1.
24.
And this one, angle 2.
Ring angle?
No. Here, this angle.
Number 2.
Yeah, number 2.
Bend angle.
Yeah, bend angle. This is bend 1. This is 2. And this middle, this one is the ring diameter. You can consider ring diameter.
Which one?
This one, ring diameter. Ring
angle.
ring angle or diameter. Okay, well, if you need to.
No, ring angle is okay.
Yeah, okay. And this one is system. No need to change. Now understand this system.
But take one step, one.
Yeah, okay.